All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Mess It Up with Massey, co-sponsored by uh, no one actually. It's just me. Hi. So, आज का जो हमारा एपिसोड है इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट म्यूजिक. तो जितने भी म्यूजिक लवर्स है आ जाओ. आज तुम्हारी भूख और प्यास मिटाने वाला हूँ क्योंकि म्यूजिक एक्चुअली सच बताओ ना बहुत प्यारी चीज है और इट्स अ वास्ट कंसेप्ट. ओके अनन्या इज हियर. सो आज हम बहुत म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करने वाले. मे बी अ लिटिल बिट जैमिंग सेशन आज वो भी होने वाला है. सो आज के गेस्ट के बारे में अगर हम बात करें आप उनके पेरेंट्स को जानते होंगे, श्री पद्मा मैम एंड श्री सुरेश वाडिकर जी. They are the legendary singers of Bollywood, and we've got people from states from here. Himanshu is here from United States. People from London are joining in. Hi, Mr. Pontes, how are you? So, आज के जो हमारी गेस्ट है आप उनके पेरेंट्स को जानते हैं. श्री सुरेश वाडेकर की बेटी आज हमारे बीच में है. She is building her own empire, which is a very very big thing. And अभी हाल ही में उनका एक नया सॉन्ग आया है Iltija, and yes, without any further ado, let me call none other than
Hi.
Hi Ananya, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good, all good.
So nice
So how's
to
your
be
lockdown
here.
life going?
Sorry?
How's your lockdown life going?
Lockdown life is going well, I guess. It's not exactly a lockdown, so let's not call it that. But
Yeah,
it's going
actually.
well. It's going well.
Nice. So मैंने अभी जैसे बोला कि आपका एक सॉन्ग आया है. तो
कौन सा song?
मैंने कौन सा सॉन्ग? इल्तिजा.
Iltija, yes. No, Mera song. Yeah, well, you can
You've
say
sung in that
but
song, right?
it's not just me. It's also my friends, George Sebastian, Vaibhav Raval, Priyanka Ravlani, and me.
Oh,
And it's
couple of
arranged also by my friends Saurabh Vakhare and Shubham Vakhare, and also recorded
wow.
by my friend Vinayak Pawar. Everything happened at Adivasan. So
You've got a
yeah,
good friend circle, I have to say that.
yes, that's true.
नहीं actually अच्छा, to have a group of productive people,
Yes,
that inspire you to do more productive stuff.
yes, it definitely does.
Yeah. So talking about music, we know your parents, Shri
Yeah,
Suresh Wadkar ji, Shri Padma ma'am.
yes.
So how is it like to be their child? Just point of मेरे को किसी कमेंट में किसी ने बोला था, वैसे किसी ने बोला नहीं, मैं खुद ही पूछ रहा हूँ. So how
What
is
is
it
it
like
like
to
to
be
be
their
their
child?
daughter? I think in the initial years it was pretty normal. It was not, I used to like call my dad tu and things like that. And then somebody, my dadi told me, ऐसे नहीं बात करते हैं. He's your father. So, you should say aap and address him as, in a respectful way. So I used to be very
Exactly.
normal and things like that. And then I think I realized much later that, okay, he's someone, he's not just my father, he's someone important. And I used to, go and also be with him when he was performing and things like that. And then I eventually realized, initially मुझे लगता था सब ऐसे ही होते हैं. मतलब everyone's dad performs, everyone's dad, goes up on stage and things like that.
Exactly.
And then I'm like, nahi, there are other things that people do. Some people are engineers, some people are other things. And so my dad is a singer and he's a famous man. So I remember telling my mom once we were going to a store, and we were just getting ready to leave, and I remember telling my mom, hey, you know what, let's take dad because he's like famous and things, right? So let's take
It's
him
flex.
along, so everyone will look at us. So that's how it started. But yeah, eventually I started realizing that my parents have never stopped me from being who I am. They've never
Wow.
been like, behave like, your Suresh Wadkar's daughter and things like that. But I think somewhere that responsibility comes and you realize that not that you don't that you can't be yourself, But oh, Shreyas Dada saying you are pretty. Thank you. I love you, Shreyas Dada. Okay, he's my brother. I love him so
Oh,
much.
he literally said, "Please say my name down there."
He said that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I love him. So I will say his name. It was going to come up eventually, but I didn't think it would come up this early. But yes. Anyway, coming back, I think that eventually you realize that you have to. There are places where you can't say certain things, and you can't be like very disrespectful and things
Exactly.
like that. So there is a responsibility that comes with being their daughter.
Yeah. So, like, if you ever go to perform anywhere and your parents are there with you, so
Yeah.
मतलब crowd में there will be people कि अरे सुरेश वाडेकर जी की बेटी गा रही है.
Yes.
So एक वो fear कि अरे ये लोग क्या सोचेंगे मैं इतने मतलब legend की बेटी हूँ और कभी वो एक fear आया होगा आपके दिमाग में?
हाँ, इट्स मतलब हमेशा होता है, वो फियर
Pressure.
तो
Yeah.
होता ही है. दैट प्रेशर इज ऑलवेज देयर, बट आई ट्राई नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज if that fear is going to affect your singing and make you sing badly or perform
Hmm.
badly, even when I'm playing the sitar and things, if it's going to ruin your performance, it's really not worth it. So
Thank you.
I try my best, although it's a very prominent, it's a fear that's there. It's always there, because you carry a name with you. But I've been told by my father, my mother, and all my other teachers that you cannot let that affect your performance. You know, you need to be you, because you are you. You
Exactly.
have a different voice. You have a different texture to your voice. It's not going to
Yeah.
sound like your mother's or your father's, and I've been told that it doesn't. So I'm glad that way, because if I was to sound like my mom or my dad, then they would really expect me to sing like that. But I'm happy to have a voice of my own, and I'm happy that probably because I have a voice of my own, I don't get judged, like
Yeah.
put next to them and judged that way. So I'm
Okay.
happy about that.
So talking about your music part, so how did it all start? ये सबकी शुरुआत कहाँ पे हुई? Because you have seen your father going perform and looking at him, he's a big singer, he's famous. So like when did that thing came कि like even I should go in this field? वो कौन सी एज में आया? कब शुरुआत हुई सबकी?
सो इट्स फनी, मैं जब छोटी थी तब मुझे पहले तो डॉक्टर बनना था, फिर मुझे कुछ और बनना था, एंड मतलब इट केप्ट चेंजिंग दैट वे. व्हेन आई लुक एट माय सिस्टर, शी इज वेरी फोकस्ड, शी वांट्स टू लाइक डू म्यूजिक एंड सिंगिंग एंड दैट्स इट. But when I was younger, I wanted to be, I thought, academics, I used to look around and see all my friends, सबको academics में कुछ ना कुछ करना था. So I used to
Hmm.
think that was it was pretty dumb, but I used to think that was what I should also be thinking. So initially, I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to become a doctor, and that became an interest later on also, because I was very good at biology. So I really wanted to be, doing something in bio, if not become a doctor. But I
Hmm.
ended up doing marketing. That's a different story. But I remember that I remember being fed up, because I used to do so much music, and this is something I want to put out there, because I feel like people everyone puts out this picture कि आप अगर म्यूजिक कर रहे हो तो आपको सिर्फ म्यूजिक, and you should, everything you should do should be about music. And a lot of people, I mean, Irfan Khan has said that it becomes boring to act after some time. Imagine, Irfan Khan was a legend. The way he
Exactly.
acted on screen, I don't think anybody could pull that kind of the kind of art he used to produce. I
वो
don't
the
think
way he used to act with his
everything,
eyes.
everything. I don't think
Yeah.
anyone could do what he did. But even he has gone and said that it gets boring after one point. How much will you act? How much will you keep doing the same thing? So I think it's important to have a break, because it's not necessary कि मुझे musician बनना है तो that's all I should be thinking about. And while there are people who can do it, I'm not a person who can do it. And I feel like if nobody normalizes this, I should normalize it. I should normalize this feeling of being
Definitely.
okay with just taking a break from your art and maybe doing something else. Like, I love cooking. I love cooking.
अरे वाह.
So that's a break I take if I want to. If I'm not bored, but if I've done my riyaz, done like enough sufficient amount of riyaz in the whole day, then I would like to go and cook or maybe paint or do something else. Just sit on the terrace and watch clouds. A lot of
Yeah.
people who follow me know that I put a lot of stories of like clouds and things because I love nature.
Recently, even I've seen that.
Yeah, you've seen that. So I love nature. So
Yeah.
I feel like that's an okay thing to do, right? So again, coming back to your question, I think I finally realized that music is what I want to really do. I think I realized that when I was 15, when I just finished school, and that's when I started getting like very serious. I started, focusing on my riyaz. And before that, it used to mostly be like, do school, come back home, do classes, and then sleep. So luckily, because I had so many classes, so many music classes, I was never out of touch. I never lost touch. I was always in touch with music every day. रोज कुछ ना कुछ क्लास तो
रोज
होता था.
रहते थे.
It was either like singing class, sitar class, tabla class, violin class, this
You were
class, that
surrounded
class.
24 by
Yeah,
7.
yeah, yeah, pretty much. Dance class. So I was surrounded by music. So there was no, I would not say that, मेरा रियाज नहीं होता था बिकॉज मैं नहीं चाहते हुए भी रियाज करना ही पड़ता था. आई वुड हैव टू गो एंड सिट इन दैट क्लास. आई वुड हैव टू गो एंड attend those classes and do all those things. So I would end up doing a lot of riyaz that way. But I think riyaz in the sense that sitting with yourself and doing riyaz, I think very very um, regularly started after I was 15. After my school just got over, because I was in Billabong High and they do their exams in October, the board exam. So you get 6 months before you go to your next school. 6 months of
Oh,
nothing. So that's when I
Bapre.
really got into it. Yeah, I used to get up at like 6 and practice and things like that.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, talking about music, again, आज बहुत music आने वाला है. Who is your favorite music artist? Like, I know your parents are legends, but the upcoming artists who are there. For example, Anup Jain or any artist like that. So who
You're
is
saying
your favorite?
apart from my parents.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. There's so many people. There's Arijit Singh, Shreyas Puranik is also one of them.
Right.
I love his voice, and I love his music also, everything. So, of course, there's Arijit Singh, Shreyas Dada, then there is Shreya Ghoshal,
Oh
and
yeah,
Sunidhi Chauhan is amazing.
so
She
powerful
she
voice.
knows, and I also love Niti Mohan. All of these people know exactly how to manipulate their voices and bring out what the song really requires. So
Actually, justice
I
रहता
really
full
like.
lyrics को लेके.
Oh, justice, like, and how they do
Yeah,
complete justice to all their songs. So
exactly.
I really love these people.
Uh, now,
And
I
I would also like to add, you asked me about upcoming singers, and I took certain famous names, but I would want to add that even though they may not be as famous as these people, my friends, the people I'm around, uh, namely like George Sebastian, Shivika Rajesh, Sushmita Narayan, Priyanka Ravlani. All these people really, really inspire me. Apurva Nishad, again, another person, Krutika Borkar. Saurabh Bakhare is like my biggest inspiration because he sings. I believe that he sings very, 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 very much like my father did when he was younger. So around when my
oh,
father was his age, that's how he sounded, like
अरे
Saurabh
वाह.
sings now. So he's a big inspiration. But I want to say that I think more than like celebrities and famous singers, I think the people that you are around, your friends, your guru behan and guru bhais, they really really push you. They really help you grow because you see them singing more often than you
Exactly.
would, let's say, see a Shreya Ghoshal perform or a Sunidhi Chauhan perform. So I think on an everyday basis, they also play a very very important part in pushing me and motivating me. So I would like to mention their names also, for sure.
Definitely, definitely. And हाल ही में सी अभी आई स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग यू ऑन इंस्टा. सो हाल ही में मैंने कुछ शख्सियत को ज्यादा आपके स्टोरी पे देखा है, एंड वन इज स्काई एंड वन इज स्पार्कल.
Huh. Yes,
स्काई एंड
that's
स्पार्कल.
those are my
सो
my lifelines basically.
yeah. So who is the most mischievous one? ज्यादा कौन mischievous है?
Uh, I would have to say
Can I say something?
yes.
Let me. Yeah. Can I guess?
Um, yeah,
Is
okay, you
it
can take a
Sky?
guess. It is Sky. It is Sky because but he is younger, so he's obviously more mischievous. But I think Sparkle is the silent witty guy. Like he
Oh.
has the brains, but he knows कि मैं आराम से भी इन लोगों को रूल कर सकता हूँ. तो I don't need to be up on my toes and really rule them. I can like be really nice and lazy and just make them do what I want. Because if I'm lazy, they will have to give me like 20 biscuits to make me just get up from my place. So I'm going to be nice
Exactly.
and lazy so then I can eat biscuit and sugar and things that are not good for me. But yeah, Sky would have to be the more energetic one because he's a baby. He's 7 months old, so he's definitely the
Oh.
more energetic one.
And fact about Sky, guys. जितने भी लोग हैं स्काई के बारे में एक फैक्ट है that he's a Puneri husky. There are Siberian husky.
He's a Puneri husky. I'm sure the Mosmi has told you this.
Yes, yes. He asked
100%.
me not to tell, but I couldn't hold myself. Oh
Yeah, this is
God.
Mosmi's line.
Yeah. So she was like, please don't tell वरना मेरे को मेरी बैंड बज गई. I was like, talking about Sky, I was like, नहीं मेरे से रहा नहीं जा रहा, कितना कंट्रोल करो लेकिन आएगी.
No, they're like my babies. So
Oh, yeah, they are very adorable. So, आपका जो I have seen Ajivasan, if I'm not wrong, Ajivasan.
Ajivasan, yeah.
Yes. Can you please tell the audience about what exactly is Ajivasan?
Ajivasan is a music school that had my father's Guruji had started it. It's named after him. So Ajivasan is basically an abbreviation of Acharya Jiyalal Vasan Sangeet Niketan. That's Ajivasan. So it was started by him, and then my dad and his daughter, my bua, they took it forward after that. And now my mom also. I mean, if I could say, my mom is now taking it forward after them, and she's
And
also
what is
like
your
sort
role?
of. My role is marketing,
Oh,
marketing Ajivasan, and also teaching at Ajivasan, and I also learn at Ajivasan. So there's a lot of stuff
wow.
that I'm doing.
So as the COVID thing is around, so how are you teaching your students right now?
Online, online. So we have
Online.
online classes. Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. So I have this one more question. So if Suresh sir and Padma ma'am अगर आप ये देख रहे तो ये वाला पार्ट आपको ध्यान से देखना चाहिए. Just look at her face right now. ठीक है, एक्सप्रेशन जरा चेंज हो सकते हैं. ज्यादा लाडली किसकी हो? The expression जो लगा आंखें बड़ी.
So I'm very diplomatic. I must tell you that.
Oh,
तो
okay.
मैं ज्यादा लाडली दोनों की हूँ. Because I'm diplomatic. I know how to be ladly where like for what I have
That
to
was
go to which person I know.
wow.
And they're not watching this, so I can say that very openly.
I wish they would. So ये इल्तिजा की आपकी जर्नी कैसे रही? Like were you the part in composing the song, or like you just sang the song?
I, along with George, I composed the song.
Oh,
So
that's lovely.
George did most of the main parts, but I also helped out with composing the song. And other than that, I also sang in the song. But we were basically a group of 4 people, like I mentioned earlier, and we, from the concept of the like what the song is going to be about to how it should sound and everything, we sort of walked together through it
Wow.
and we made the whole song. Yeah. And then we had Saurabh Vakhare and Shubham Vakhare arrange the song. So the
That's amazing.
instrumental, etc. There was a rough draft that was made by Vaibhav, but then eventually they sort of added certain elements and
Yeah.
made it like a fair arrangement.
Talking about Iltija, audience demand for audience, तो सब बोल रहे Iltija is a very beautiful song. So my personal request, can you sing one line for us of Iltija?
Oh God, it's not a female song.
Excuse me, I have heard the part. Like I heard your voice in the song, so there is a female part in the song.
That was just the alap. Okay, but I'll sing two lines. तू ही है दुआ, तू ही इल्तिजा, तू ही मेरी शामों की सुबह, तू ही है दुआ, तू ही इल्तिजा, तू ही मेरी शामों की सुबह. That's all I'm
Wow,
singing. Everyone's
that's
like sing,
amazing.
sing, sing, sing. That's
Please
all
sing.
I'm singing.
Someone literally wrote, sing the full song, the whole
That's
song. Someone wrote.
Priyanka. Yeah, that's one of the group members, Priyanka.
Oh. So, talking about online classes, so are there people only from India, like from all around the world?
There's people from all around the world. I actually happen to be teaching two students who are not even in India. Two
Oh,
of them. So one of them is in Sharjah, which is close to Dubai, and one of them is in Washington.
wow.
Yeah.
They have a lot of
So you
interest
don't
in.
have to be here, because now, so
Exactly.
I think in a way the lockdown sort of opened up this whole new side to teaching. Online was explored. It was not like we were not doing online classes before the lockdown, but we just realized that, there are times like in the monsoon and things when it's raining really heavily, and sometimes
Yeah.
especially kids and things, they may not, their parents may not be comfortable getting them here. So we
Hmm.
realized that we can have like a model where we do online and offline, and
Exactly.
so that it's more convenient. And let's say if I'm traveling and I have the time, but I'm just
Hmm.
not in the city, I can always connect online and take classes. So it's
Yeah.
it's in a way that's something good that came out of the lockdown.
That's nice. So, you were talking about, taking your dad to the market. So you had that thinking, dad को लेके जाते. So when you were in school, कभी ऐसा, अलग treatment मिला स्कूल की तरफ से, अरे सुरेश वाडेकर जी
No,
की बेटी?
no,
Never.
no. So I remember that initially there was another school here, Savitri Vasant High School. But then I think when I was in second grade, the school changed and it became Billabong High, and it was an international board and things like that. So that's where I started studying after second grade. And in Savitri Vasant, because I think it was our school kind of thing. Everyone knew me, so I went from being the most popular kid, the most loved child in school, to being a nobody in Billabong High. Literally
अरे
a nobody. My first year, I used to come home and be like, "No one's my friend," and my
अरे
mom
रे.
was like super worried because she was like, how is she going to survive 8 more years in this school? But I never got any special treatment, let's say, from anyone in my class or in my school. But yeah, sometimes in like, let's say, a one-off case, if my father's, because dad was also doing Saregama at that time, and he had an
Yeah.
episode where I had to go and sing for him. So let's
Wow.
say after that, the teachers would come and be like, we saw you on TV and things like that. Or if my dad was in the paper, then my friends would be like, we saw your dad's photo in the paper and things like that. But other than that, I did not get any special treatment. And I'm happy I didn't get any special treatment because I don't know, मैं कुछ झाड़ वाड़ पे ही चढ़, मतलब I would be like on a throne and a spoiled brat if I had got any special treatment. So I'm happy I'm not that.
Uh, you're talking about your teacher like told you कि यार I saw you on TV. So that
Yeah.
it's मुझे एक flashback there. So when I was in 10th grade, I was doing this serial called Ashok Samrat, which used to come
Oh,
on Color.
okay. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I was doing that serial and वो time पे मेरे practicals चालू थे. So मैंने वो एक practical miss कर दिया था and then I came back and the next day I went to school. So there's this friend of mine जो हकलाता है, he stammers, and मैंने मैम को बोला, मैम I was not feeling well, that's the reason I couldn't
Oh no.
made it yesterday. So उतने में ये बंदा आया and he's like, अरे ब्रो कल तेरे को टीवी पे देखा मैं।
Oh shucks.
पूरी लाइफ ये बंदा हकला के बात करता है, लाइफ में पहली बार इसने एक लाइन बिना अटके बोली, वो भी
Oh
कौन से टाइम पे। So that got me in trouble.
no. Oh God, you got in trouble for coming on TV.
Yeah,
Okay, that's sad. That's sad.
yeah.
I used to get some attention for coming on TV, so that was not sad, but
Like, my other professors were pretty cool, like school time में, बोलता है, अरे Massey, so I have done this movie called Sings Up the Grade when I was in 7th grade. So
okay.
वो टाइम पे मुझे एक अलग ही ट्रीटमेंट मिलता था स्कूल में. So that was the
That's
thing,
good,
guys.
na? I never got any such treatment, Baba. My friends were least bothered.
So अच्छा Ananya, talking about your journey, how it like it has been, like क्या क्या problems face की and how have you overcome it?
Okay. I know that I've been answering all the questions with huge answers. Now this one's going to be an even bigger answer. But problems, I think, I don't know. I've always been told not to focus on the problems. But I think
That's actually good.
yeah, that's a good thing because I actually can't remember, you know. And problems would, I think, be stage fright. I still have a lot of stage fright. I'm surprised my lips are not shivering right now because my lips tend to shiver when I'm, scared. So I hope
You
the
know,
problem is going away. I
I
hope
have
it's
that
going.
thing. Beginning of the episode, and even the last episode, I had that stage fear, that thing. Even
Yeah.
I have, but somehow when that atmosphere has been made, तो फिर मतलब वो एकदम फ्री हो जाते हैं हम लोग
Huh.
बात करने
So
में.
I've noticed that the stage fright is like higher when my parents are sitting in the audience. I have gone to like competitions where if I don't know anyone, if I don't know, see, people may know me, but if I don't know anyone, I'm just like, hey, to hell with everyone. I'm just going to sing and go away. But the stage fright also kicked in with my seriousness towards music. So when I started getting really serious is when I started getting really worried about whether I was going to perform well, will I sing well, will I, be in sur and things like that. So before that, I used to pretty much just go on stage and I was like, just khatam karna hai mujhe. I just want to finish whatever the performance of and leave. My main concern used to be कि मेरा जो green room में लेस का पैकेट है वो कोई हाथ मत लगाना. When I went on stage, that used to be my concern. So I was least bothered about क्या बजा रहे हैं, क्या गा रहे हैं. I used to just sing and leave. So I was never really scared, and I think that helped because
What was more important was the chips का packet.
हाँ. And at that time, I used to sing very well. I used to play very well, and I used to get off stage. So my friend is messaging and pasta because she knows we were three girls playing. We used to learn sitar together, Vaibhavi, me, and Aditi, and we used to have a blast in the green room. Blast, matlab that green room used to be like blocked. So only Ananya, Aditi, Vaibhavi will sit here, and we used to eat pasta, chips, ये वो. We used to have this list of performances.
Full
And we used to
carnival.
be like, अच्छा अभी next performance हमारा है, चलो चलो पैक करो सब, जाके perform करो, वापस आओ, फिर Sprite पियेंगे उसके बाद. So that used to be the main concern. But I think coming back to like the problems, I think stage fright, fear of being judged was like a big thing. But slowly over time, I hope those go away. I'm still very conscious of being like on camera and things. I feel like my face is very uneven. It's not symmetrical. So I
You look
judge
totally perfect.
myself.
Don't worry.
I judge myself through like various lenses, but it's something I've sort of reduced now. I feel like I shouldn't do that because nobody else is doing it. Why you doing it? And why you comparing yourself to people?
Exactly.
Be yourself. It's
Yeah.
very important to be yourself.
That's amazing. That's amazing. You know, many of my followers are also here. So apart from acting, I sing thoda
Oh
bahut.
wow, that's nice.
Thoda thoda. So I have composed my own song, and its
Okay.
name is Mere Yara. So मैंने कॉलेज में like perform किया था, and the crazy fact is the song was composed in 15 minutes कॉरिडोर में बैठ के.
Oh God. Okay. You're a genius.
Yeah,
Hey, if you guys are watching, I think we should do our next song with Leslie. Okay. 15 minutes and the song is done.
15 minutes. Yeah, exactly. Even I was like shocked. क्या? So even I sing थोड़ा थोड़ा सा.
Why don't you sing the song?
Me right now?
We have an audience of 25 people.
Oh, sure, definitely. So the song was like this. Please forgive me अगर मैं mistake करूँ because नीचे ये चालू है.
Oh, wow. I love Red Bull.
Love Red Bull.
Love Red Bull.
अरे, we should meet. मेरे पास पूरा stock रखा हुआ है.
Wow. I think I'm
All
going to
right.
send someone to the store and get it now
Oh,
after this.
definitely.
No, but I'm putting on weight. No, I can't.
Even I have the same thing. मैं यहाँ पे कैमरा ऐसा रखा हुआ है, but ऐसे
हाँ
थोड़ा
ताकि कुछ दिखे
दूर
नहीं
जाऊंगा ना तो
नीचे,
ये
हाँ
मेरा
नीचे कुछ नहीं दिखना चाहिए.
लॉकडाउन ने सबका वेट वो कर दिया, so it's totally fine.
Lockdown, yeah.
Let's normalize the being fat all a thing.
No, but be healthy. Be
But
healthy.
be
I
healthy.
want to normalize being healthy because again, we're drifting off topic, but I think it's okay. It's fine. It's
Yeah,
my
yeah.
life and it's your life,
मैंने
so
भी
it's
वर्कआउट
fine.
शुरू किया है थोड़ा. आई होप कि
But
रिजल्ट आ जाए.
I think this whole being fat is okay, being fat is fine. Yes, it is fine.
Being
Uh,
healthy is more important.
but it's fine if you have like a medical condition where you're not able to lose weight. People have things like PCOD, PCOS, and I feel like I think people tend to overdo this whole normalize being fat and normalize. Of course, it's fine to be fat. Nobody should be telling you
Yeah.
तुम मोटा हो, तुम मोटे हो, तुम मोटी हो, or calling you bad things because you're fat. But you yourself should understand that it's important to be healthy, because being fat for no reason and being fat because you're eating trash and putting trash into your body, that's not
Definitely.
good.
It affects the health at the end.
Yeah, that is not good. If you genuinely have a medical reason why you can't lose weight or you can't put on weight, that's a different thing. Then you should not be called fat anyway, but you should not
Yeah.
be, pressurized to lose weight and things like that. But if you're fat because you're eating the wrong things, you're
Yeah.
not doing workout, which is very important. It's so important to work out. Even as a singer, it is so important to work out, because
Yeah.
if you don't have stamina to stand on a stage and sing for 2 hours, then what are you going to do? And now you're
Exactly.
expected to dance and sing. If you can't sing when you're panting, what are you going to do? So
Yeah,
it's
वो भी है.
important to build stamina anyway. It's important even for COVID. So just do it. But yeah,
Definitely.
again, I'm not saying anything about people who are fat or
Yeah.
who are not fat, who are healthy because they can't lose weight because they have a medical problem. But people who are putting on weight and not realizing that they're putting on weight because they're eating bad and eating bad stuff and not eating healthy stuff, it's important to be healthy. Please stop coming under, conveniently coming under the umbrella of like, I have a medical condition so I'm fat. No, you're
हाँ,
not eating the right stuff so you're fat.
definitely. चलो मैं एक लाइन गा देता हूँ मेरे
Yes.
यार की. So again, please forgive me.
I've eaten ice cream too, it's fine.
अरे वाह, अरे मम्मी ने आज घर पे सही में आइसक्रीम बनाई है. Homemade.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'll sing. चल पड़े उस राह पर जहाँ से ना कोई गुजरे, मुड़ चले जहाँ खुल के जी सके, तू है मेरा राही, तू है मेरा मीर. ओ चल मेरे संग उड़ चल जैसे परिंदे उड़ चले, आ मेरे संग उड़ चल उस जहां में जो हमसे ही बने, तू चल मेरे संग मेरे यारा, तू चल मेरे संग मेरे यारा. थोड़ा सा.
Wow, you sing so well.
Thank you.
Join
I have to.
Adivasan. I'm just going to
Sure.
promote marketing, join Ajivasan.
I'm a BMM student, by the way.
Oh, there you go. So join Ajivasan then.
Definitely.
I'm just going to say join Ajivasan for everything.
Acha, apart from singing, you have any other interest? You said dancing. You dance?
I used to learn dance from the dance works, but then I stopped, I think, when I was 13, and then I joined back, but then I stopped again. And I also
Oh,
did a little bit of Kathak here at Ajivasan, um, but I couldn't continue that either. But I love dancing. I really like dancing. I go mad at weddings. The people who are who are there at those weddings really know what I'm talking about. But I love dancing. But I think if something had to follow like my singing and my sitar, I would have to say that I love cooking. It's a stress buster for me. So sometimes singing can get stressful because it's the art form that you're pursuing professionally. It can get a little stressful, or like even playing the sitar can get a little stressful. So maybe after like a recording or a performance and things, I would really enjoy coming home and cooking, because
wow.
when people eat my food and say it's good, I really feel really nice. It's
Arey
like
वाह.
it's
Which
fun.
is your
So
favorite cuisine you like to cook?
no, there's no such thing. There is
जो
no.
दिल में
I make very weird, like very different. Like I make
experimental.
Chinese. I make a little bit of British food. I make Indian food also. Yeah, I think, and then I also make Italian food. But yeah,
वैभवी
but it's
sings
very.
इसको सब आता है.
Who's saying that?
वैभवी सब
Vaibhavi is
कुछ आता
saying.
है.
No, Vaibhavi and I have spent our childhood together, so she knows because we used to be in the cooking. We used to be in the kitchen cooking together.
Wow.
But I have to say that I love baking. Baking was one of the first things that I started doing when I was a kid. So baking would have to be like the stress buster, real stress buster.
Wow. Mosam is saying Nandu dosa.
Nandu dosa, Nandu makes. I don't make. I make pav. She said pav before that.
Pav. Oh, that's
Everybody's
amazing.
writing. Everybody's writing the stuff that they. Yeah, see, jacket potato. No, that's the
Jacket
British
potato.
stuff. Yeah.
अभी सबको भूख लग रही होगी कमेंट सेक्शन
अभी
में.
मुझे भी भूख लग रही है.
मुझे भी लग रही है.
मुझे भी फिर मेरा
Oh.
वजन याद आता है मुझे.
Someone wrote that you play very beautiful sitar.
I play sitar. Beautiful is what everyone has to judge, but
You got it nearby you?
yes, I have it right here because I
What
knew you would
definitely.
ask me. But I will play very little of
Sure, sure.
a piece that I had composed. And I learned sitar from my bua, Srimati
Oh,
Prem Vasant ji. And I also then eventually started learning from Mr. Rajendra Gadgil. And I also learned a little bit from Bhagirath Bhatt ji, who is a professional, like he's a sitar player.
wow. So I've learned from a couple of legend people.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I will play very little.
Sure, sure.
You have to check the tuning of these things, huh? Because the
Definitely.
AC is on.
Yeah,
So the AC is on and then it detunes. Okay.
definitely. Even whenever I, play to said like I said to play guitar, so maybe एक
हाँ.
बार वो like check कर लेता
Yeah,
हूँ
you
कि
have
वो
to like
AC में रहता है BT में.
guitars don't go out of tune that easy. These sitars really, really do.
बाप रे.
I'll quickly play it. Okay.
Sure, sure. वाओ, मैं एकदम ऐसे बैठ
Thank
के
you.
खोल रहा हूँ ना. So amazing.
I'll probably like upload the whole piece someday,
You
hopefully.
should actually. It's very beautiful.
I just can't get myself to do these things. I don't know why. I'm so not active on social media. It's so, it's so funny, you know, that I've done marketing as a student. I'm a marketing student,
Oh,
but I just can't do marketing when it comes to myself. I will do it otherwise, but I cannot market myself. It just doesn't happen. But I have to. I've made like this nice list which is hanging on my cupboard, which I'm supposed to do at some point. So hopefully I will.
actually, I'll suggest you. I do this personally. मैंने मेरा experience है. So मेरा भी एक है ऐसा list. like मोबाइल में है. And मैं
हाँ.
एक particular date लिख देता हूँ कि मुझे इस तारीख पे ये करना है. इस date पे मुझे ये launch करना है.
No, that
ऐसे
will
से
never work with me. That will never. Today I told myself, and so I was working out at 4:15. I started, and I went back up, like back home at 5, exactly at 5, and I told myself, you will be down and ready at 5:30, and at 5:52 I'm still in the bathroom getting ready. So that's never going to work with me.
people are literally saying that was a treat. It was actually indeed a treat from you. Thank you
Thank
so much
you.
for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what are your future plans? This is the last question I'm going to ask. What are your future plans?
My future plans are future plans are well quite nebulous to begin with, but I I think as of now I don't want to have like very long term plans, like, and because long term plans tend to get vague. They tend to, you
Exactly.
know, if you just say I want to become a singer, that is vague. It's
Yeah,
vague as in your goal is like I want to become a singer, but how do you get there? So I prefer having short term goals, short term plans, because maybe eventually when they add up, they'll help me get to whatever the long term plan is supposed to be. So as of now, it may sound very weird, but I want to get better at my art. I want to, and I think it's a good time to do that. I think it's a good time to
exactly.
nurture my art and really, really focus on getting better at it, because, like my mom always says, you're never going to be happy with the way you sing or with the way you play the sitar, because it's not finite na. It's not like आप 2 crore कमाओ एक महीने में तो you will be happy. That's, you can't measure it. It's not quantifiable. So you can't measure really where, at which point you will reach and be like, I'm happy with the way I sing, or I'm happy with the way my father is still not happy with the way he sings. So if he is not happy, then what right do we have to be happy or to be satisfied? So I think, actually thinking about it, my goal is to sing. It's a far-fetched goal, and it's something that I pretty much know is never going to happen. But I feel like if I put my goal there, I may come somewhere close to him. So my goal is to sing better than my father sings. That's my goal. I
So
want to be
you'll
better
reach
than him.
somewhere near that.
So if I try to touch the point where I'm better than him, maybe I will sing somewhere close to what he sings. Somewhere. So that is my goal. Every time I sit in front of him, all I can think is I want to be better than this man, because then maybe I can, come like somewhere close to him. Because I will never be him, and I will never be able to sing better than him or be
Exactly.
a better musician than him. But if I reach for that, maybe I can come up to 10 feet close to him, which is still pretty far, but I'll be very honored if I can, even reach there.
Definitely.
So yeah, again,
That's
there will be people who take it the wrong way when I say that, because I remember saying to someone that, my goal is to watch my parents sit in the audience and smile at me when I sing. And he just looked at me and said, why? Why do you want that to be your goal? He said, why can't your goal be to be better than your father? And I thought of it and I said, yeah, that makes sense. My goal should be to be better than
see.
my father, because then I may reach somewhere, where I can maybe stand on stage with him and not feel like I'm scared,
Hmm.
because this man is going to rock the stage. So maybe I want to reach to be better than him so I can come somewhere close.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. So, one last question for, or like, it's for the audience actually, especially उनके लिए है ये. So, any life lesson you want to give to the audience? Any life lesson? That can change their life totally.
No, because there's nothing I can tell you that's going to work for you. You have to figure out, uh, what works for you. But I think one thing, and I'm going to sound like a complete auntie when I say this, but at the cost of sounding like an auntie, it's something I want to say, because I've just noticed that people nowadays have such erratic lives. Like, there's no rhythm to their life. I'm not saying be boring. I'm not saying, live every day the same way, and you have to like get up in the morning and do riyaz at 6, and then have class at 9:30, then do your thing, then go again to class at 12. Don't I'm not saying have a mundane and like a very systematic and boring life. Monotonous नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. Yeah, Mosmi, stay happy and keep eating. I will keep cooking for you. But again, coming back, I think some amount of discipline in life is needed, because what's going to keep you tired? Like, what's going to keep your feet on the ground? If you have an erratic life where you're, again, now some people are going to laugh at me when I say this, but where you're like sleeping at like 4 in the morning, or like 3 in the morning and 2 in the morning, and then you expect to be up by uh, let's say 8 or 9 in the morning, and then you complain that मेरा आवाज चल नहीं रहा है, मेरा गला
Hmm.
चल नहीं रहा है. I mean, what do you expect? तुम सो नहीं रहे हो भैया. What do you expect? तुम
Exactly. Very true.
सोओगे नहीं तो तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. तुम्हारा ना तो दिमाग चलेगा, ना तो तुम्हारा पैर चलेगा, हाथ चलेगा, तो गला तो नहीं चलने वाला है. Your vocal cords, your throat is much more delicate than any other muscle in your body. So
Exactly.
how do you expect these things to work if you have an erratic life? And again, what I mean by erratic is also not just physically erratic, but also having mental stability is very important. And I feel like some amount of discipline in life it's good, it's necessary. Again, I don't mean be boring. Don't be boring. Nobody's asking you not to party. Nobody's asking you to not go out. Even I go out. Even I have fun sometimes. A lot of my friends think I'm quite boring that way, but I'm not saying be me. Be yourself, do your
Yes, sir.
thing, but have some regimen, something, anything. It can be as simple as मैं 5 बजे exercise करती हूँ तो मैं 5 बजे exercise करती हूँ. Nobody can change that. Or
Exactly.
it can be as simple as if I go up to the terrace at 6:30 in the evening and watch the sunset. That can be your discipline. It's as simple as that. But have something that holds you. Don't have a life where you're just like some weird atom just wah, 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 and going everywhere, and going crazy
Yeah.
basically. So I feel like that's important. I think a lot of people my age, I'm 21, but around my age, a lot of people have such
You're quite
erratic
young.
lives. Yeah, I'm very young. I don't look that young. So that's why I said, at the cost of looking and sounding like an auntie, have some
No,
discipline
no.
in
From
life.
audience point of view, if I say like I heard you talking, but you didn't sounded like an auntie. I swear you
Okay,
didn't.
thanks. Thanks. You don't
Yeah.
know my friends, okay? They will just tell me, why did you say that on the live? But yeah, but I feel like that's my mantra. Have some discipline. Although my parents still don't think that I'm as disciplined as they are, and I will never be that disciplined. But uh, get 8 hours of sleep. Okay, basically that's what I
Yeah.
mean. In the whole in the putting everything into a nutshell, please get good amount of sleep. So many people these days complain about their voice is not working, head is not working because you're not sleeping. You're just staying up the whole night when you're supposed to be sleeping. So please
Exactly.
sleep. I don't care if you sleep at 4, but if you sleep at 4, don't get up before 8 hours. Please get up only after you've finished your sleep.
If the body doesn't get proper rest, how will it
How
work
will it
properly?
work? Exactly. How will it work? I sleep early. It doesn't mean you need to, but whenever you sleep, sleep enough is what I mean.
Wow. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining in. It was a
Thank
pleasure.
you. Thank you
Yeah,
so
it
much
was
for
amazing.
having me.
You're welcome, and thank you so much for giving your time. I know you're very busy, you have a quite tight schedule, but
No. I okay, maybe I am.
I know you have. So thank you so much for joining in. And
Basically,
I
I'm
know,
busy. I'm busy in my own thoughts. Half the time, I'm just like thinking about. I'll be sitting here, but it's funny how maybe I sleep too much. I don't know. Maybe my brain gets too much rest, and so it's like working overtime when it's awake.
over
But yeah,
time.
but I can think of like four different things at the same time. I think that's also because I did music, and music teaches you how to
Yeah.
multitask. I can think of so many. It's irritating. Sometimes I have to like tell my brain, shut up. Just shut up for 2 minutes. I need to think. Just shut up. But yeah, I would like to add one thing that I'm proud of myself for today is that I've used my voice correctly. It'll sound very funny, but I've used my voice correctly in this whole interview and I'm not tired. Typically, I'm very tired by the end of like talking for 15 minutes, and I think it's been an hour almost, and I'm not tired, so I'm happy about that. Thank you, Leslie.
It was like, talking to you, so I have to say this, but talking to you, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि पहली बार, मुलाकात हो रही है या ऐसा.
Exactly, exactly. And I'm a very awkward person, so I'm very grateful to you that you could, like,
Oh,
uh,
thank
make me feel comfortable.
Oh, thank you so much. So, the first episode, actually, this is the second episode.
Yes, I've
So,
seen your first episode.
yeah, first episode, Suresh Menon sir was a guest. अभी तो Amazon Prime पे is doing a series with Harshad Wasi sir and Boman Irani. So,
Wow.
मैंने उनसे भी ये बुलवाया था. So, it would be like, a great thing if you say that. कि if you ask your people, like whoever is here, if you ask your
Yeah.
people to follow me on Instagram, because I'll be coming up with more celebrities very soon.
Hello, everyone. You guys know what you have to do. Please follow him. Otherwise, I will not meet you, and I don't meet you as it is. So just follow him. Please. Please follow
Uh,
Leslie. He's made me use my voice correctly, and I'm proud of that. Please follow
uh,
him.
Masumi is saying you can thank me later. Thank you, Masumi, for letting this happen. That's is all. Even she's a big
Thank
part
you,
of this.
Masumi.
Really amazing session. Yeah. Like, but it's going to be. I was actually going to take only 30 minutes of yours, but time का पता नहीं चला.
टाइम का पता नहीं चला क्योंकि मैं बात इतना करती हूँ. How could you have
That's
taken 30
fine.
seconds?
It
I
was
would not have
interesting.
even made it possible. You have to listen to me talking. I will give you like 3-page answers for everything. I don't know why I couldn't write that much in my papers ever, but I can talk about myself a lot.
So thank you so much. And I know you have a class right now, right after this.
No, who said?
I guess Masumi told me you might be having a class.
My class was at 6. I cancelled it.
Oh, you cancelled it.
Yeah.
Oh, he told me you have a class, so I was like, oh, I have to wrap up very soon, but time का पता नहीं चला.
Everyone's like, sing, sing, sing. Nanu, how will
Okay,
I sing in front of you, Shreyas Dada?
Yeah, you can sing, like you can end this session with one line, or like any song you can sing, or your dad's song if you want to sing.
I will sing Rehna Tu because it seems like what I should be singing right now after talking for so long. So I will sing two lines of that. Hmm. Maybe it's for you. Rehna tu hai jaisa tu. Because you're amazing.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Hmm. रहना तू है जैसा तू थोड़ा सा दर्द तू थोड़ा सुकून रहना तू है जैसा तू धीमा धीमा झोंका या फिर जुनून थोड़ा सा रेशम तू हमदम थोड़ा सा खुरदुरा कभी दौड़ जाए या लड़ जाए या खुशबू से भरा तुझे बदलना न चाहूं रत्ती भर भी सनम बिना सजावट मिलावट न ज्यादा ना ही कम तुझे चाहूं जैसा है तू मुझे तेरी बारिश में भीग जाना भूल जाना Thank
Wow,
you.
it was so amazing, so amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, I actually heard this song after a lot, like after ages.
I
I
think I
have to
messed
say,
up the lyrics. I don't know, but anyway, it's fine.
मेरे को मालूम भी नहीं पड़ा.
Very good. It's fine.
नहीं सही में. After so long, I heard this song. बहुत time बाद ये गाना सुना, and it's very beautiful song. I have to
Yeah,
say
I
this.
love this song.
And you did the justice to the song.
Thank you. Thank you.
So have a good evening. I have to say that रात हो ही गई है. Have a good evening. Good evening,
You too.
because
You too. All of you,
good day.
actually.
All of you actually, whoever is here, have a good evening, and
Yes.
hope to see you soon. 24th, my second episode is going to be out.
I
मेरा
will
एक
be
और
there.
episode. Oh, thank you. It's none other than मैं actually disclose कर ही देता हूँ. It's
हाँ.
none other than Mosumi.
Wow, Mosumi. Are you serious? It is because she's not
Yeah,
reacting. Why is
because
she
she
not
does
reacting?
social work. I thought that she should get the recognition for
Yes,
doing that.
yes, yes.
So
She
yeah.
does a lot of social
Announce
work.
कर दिया हमारा जो अगला गेस्ट है कलाकार के नाम से आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा होगा ऑडियंस आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ
Follow
पे.
her also.
Exactly, you
Follow
should
her
follow.
also. She does
Yeah.
better marketing of herself than at least I do. So please follow
It's just BMM students, BMM student being a BMM student.
her.
Hello, take care. Thank you for joining in.
You too. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. Bye.
Bye.